primer papa suramericano de la historia. Enviamos un saludo especial.
The swearing-in of Nicolas Maduro as Venezuela's new president was interrupted by a man who ran on stage and grabbed the microphone. The man, who tried to appeal for the president's help, was quickly tackled by bodyguards. The lapse in security was perhaps embarrassing for Maduro, with leaders and dignitaries from around the world attending the event. Returning to his speech after the incident, Maduro said, "Security has failed totally. I could easily have been shot." And a comrade, however many ideas he may have, must understand that this is an event that has rules that should be respected.
Debe ser respetado.
Since being narrowly beaten in the election last Sunday, opposition challenger Enrique Capriles and his supporters have refused to accept the result. However, those who voted for Maduro celebrated outside the Congress in Caracas as the new president was sworn in.